In this video, we are going to learn about the Pythagorean Theorem and how to use it to find the distance between 2 points on a coordinate plane system. This falls under the Common Core State Standards in 8th grade for geometry. So what is the Pythagorean Theorem? It is something we use to find unknown lengths of a right triangle. On a right triangle, there are 3 sides. 2 of the sides, which make up the right triangle, are called the legs. The third side, which is directly across from the 90-degree angle, is called the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the longest side of a right triangle. The formula for the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Let's do an example of the Pythagorean theorem. In the image on the right, you can see that we know the lengths of the legs of the right triangle, which are 6 and 4. The unknown length, or c, which is also known as the hypotenuse, is missing, and we need to use the formula to find out what c is. Using the formula, we will substitute a and b for 6 and 4. So the 6 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. 6 squared is 36, and 4 squared is 16. 36 plus 16 is 52. When we have c squared equal to some number, we need to take the square root to figure out what c is. So the square root of c squared and 52 is c equals 7.21. So c equals 7.21, which is also the hypotenuse. Now we are going to see how we use the formula to figure out the distance between 2 points on a coordinate plane. We can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the distance between 2 points. As you can see, there are 2 points on the coordinate plane. We can connect the 2 points to make up the hypotenuse and then draw the rest of the right triangle to find out what this distance, or the hypotenuse, is. In this example, we can see the points are located at -2, 3, and 1, -1. To find the distance, first we need to connect the 2 points. This creates our hypotenuse. Next, we can draw the rest of the triangle. We can choose any point to start with. I will choose point A. We are going to move across the x-axis to 1, and then we're going to move down the y-axis to -1. This creates our legs of our right triangle. Now we are going to count the legs. So if we are counting, let's look at the vertical line first. So let's count up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the distance from the point to 3 is 4. Now let's count across. 1, 2, 3. The distance across is 3. So one leg is 4 and the other leg is 3. Now let's substitute that into our formula. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 9 plus 16 equals c squared. 9 plus 16 is 25, and that is still set equal to c squared. At this point, we need to take the square root to figure out what c is. So we will square root both sides. We are left with c equals 5. So the hypotenuse in this triangle is 5. That means that the distance between the 2 points is 5 units. Today we learned that the Pythagorean theorem is a tool used to find out the lengths of the sides of a right triangle. We also learned that we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find out the distance between 2 points on a coordinate plane. I hope you found this video useful for helping to understand how to find the distance between 2 points on a coordinate plane. Thank you.